Most of us want to succeed at work in one way or another, unless you hate your job. But if you don't know what to do, when to do it, or how to even go about it, it can leave you feeling like you're going around in circles. Today, I'm going to share with you exactly what you need to have in place to unleash your inner leader and stand in your authority. Now, these are the same strategies that my clients have used to get promotions, get the pay they deserve, and even transition out of their role. So if you're ready to learn these career advancement strategies, hit the subscribe button below and let's get started. So where do I start? Number one, what does success mean to you? Success is something that you have to define for yourself. It could mean a sense of accomplishment by taking on a new project outside of your role, going on sabbatical to another department, or speaking up more in meetings, transitioning into a more entrepreneurial role or consulting role instead of a 9-to-5, or simply taking a step back and striking a better balance between personal life and professional life. It's entirely up to you. This is a crucial step, and it's important to use the word I, because this isn't about anybody else or what they're doing in their career. You have to define what success means to you. If you don't, you won't be able to create it, and you won't be able to find the right opportunities to make it happen. You may even want the success of others, but you don't want their story. Look, I'd love to be as famous and successful as Janet Jackson, but I definitely don't want her journey, you know? Here are some questions I get my clients to think about. At this stage in my life and career, what does success mean to me? What do I want to do more of that sets my soul on fire? What do I want my career to look like in 2, 3, or 5 years' time? What do I want my career legacy to be? Map out your story here. Number 2, make an impact. And here is a simple roadmap to find out exactly what it is you can do to make that impact. What is uniquely important to your boss or the business right now? When you focus on the sweet spot, your impact is going to be unforgettable, and it won't feel like it's hard work. If you're ready for the next step and you'd like to work with me one-to-one, I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can learn more about how I can help you to start your career journey and excel in your career. Number 3, self-promote. I have to say, this affects us all, and my clients struggle the most with this one. They are wonderful leaders, creators, communicators, and super proud of their accomplishments, but they find it uncomfortable about boasting about how amazing they are. I have to set them straight, and now it's your turn. Here's the truth. You can be amazing, exceptional, and making dramatic impacts at work. Sometimes it goes noticed and you feel like the superstar that you are, and then sometimes it doesn't go noticed. That's when they're just really little shits. Telling your boss or expressing how great you are at your job and beyond doesn't have to make you feel sick to the pit of your stomach, and it doesn't have to feel inauthentic. But you still need to make sure that you are advocating for yourself. So I get my clients to complete my brag bank template. So when they feel themselves moving inwards and feel unsure of themselves, it gives them the confidence to stand in their authority, state facts about their experiences and their accomplishments, and reminds them that they know their stuff. So when are you going to start working on unleashing your inner leader? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this episode a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you want to learn more about my one-to-one coaching program, the link is in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next week, I bind you in white light to which no negative energy can enter. Bye bye for now.